Understanding Database Migration, Simplified for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of database migration. Whether you're new to technology or just curious about this term, this video will break down the concept into simple, easy-to-understand parts. Let's dive into the world of databases and understand what migration really means in this context. Before we talk about database migration, let's understand what a database is. A database is like a digital library. It stores a lot of information, just like books in a library, but in a way that computers can easily read and manage. This information is organized so that it can be quickly accessed, managed, and updated. Now, let's understand the term migration. In the simplest terms, migration means moving from one place to another. In the context of databases, it involves moving data from one system to another. Think of it like moving books from an old library to a new one. So, why do people migrate databases? There are several reasons. Upgrading to a better system. Just like moving to a better house, sometimes databases are moved to a more advanced or suitable system. Consolidating data. Sometimes, it's about bringing data from different places into one single, more efficient system. Business needs. Companies often need to move their data to meet changing business requirements or strategies. Database migration can be a complex process, but let's break it down. 1. Planning. This is like making a checklist before you move houses. What data needs to be moved? How will it be done? 2. Preparing the new system. This involves setting up the new database, much like preparing your new home before you move in. 3. Transferring data. This is the actual moving part, where data is carefully transferred from the old system to the new one. 4. Testing. After the move, it's important to check if everything works fine in the new database, similar to checking all your belongings after a house move. Like any big move, database migration can have its challenges. Data loss. Important data might get lost or corrupted during the move. Downtime. The time when the database is not operational can be a problem for businesses. Compatibility issues. Sometimes, the old and new systems might not communicate well with each other. And that's a wrap on database migration. I hope this video has helped clarify what database migration is and why it's important in the tech world. Remember, it's all about moving data from one place to another, efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech concepts explained simply.